Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I am finally so excited. I got to use the Natasha Denona Love Palette. Do you want to know what the swatches are, what my opinion is, and how I created this look? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, I finally get to play with the Natasha Denona Love Palette, and I was supposed to do this last weekend for you guys, and that's when I was like 100% like really sick. My eyes kept watering, so there was no way I could do any decent looking eye look looking that way. So unfortunately, I had to wait an entire week to be off again, which now is that day, and I'm so excited because I'm so pleased with this palette. Oh my goodness, I am so pleased with how my eye look came out. It's a little darker than I normally do, but I was definitely trying to go with more of a deeper purple, like kind of smoking out a deeper purple in the corners, and I achieved that. So I'm actually really thrilled with how I did this look today using this beautiful palette. So the way that Natasha Denona, I have two palettes now. Both palettes both arrived this way. It arrives in, the palette is literally inside of this. No, it's this way. It's inside of this, and then it's inside of a box, which I haven't had any palette come so well protected. So it's inside this box. It says the Love Palette. I actually purchased this directly from Natasha Denona's website. This palette right here was $65. It was a hard pill to swallow. So I only have the Sunrise palette that I received as a gift. So it was really hard to go for this, but I know that it was going to be an amazing palette because the Sunrise palette is an amazing palette. So I bought this palette, $65. Again, it comes all in this nice packaging. So when you open it up, you pull that out, you pull your palette out, and then this is the box that it came in. And then here is the back, and it does go over the colors with all of the ingredients. And this says that it is 15-piece total weight, 19.25 grams slash 0.67 ounces. And again, I purchased directly from Natasha Denona's website. So let's go ahead and dive into the actual palette. There's so many colors that I haven't touched, and I'm so excited to swatch for you guys. So here's the palette. It's a nice light pink, and then the back is like that. And then when you open her up, there's a beautiful high quality mirror on the top. It does open up pretty much all the way, so the mirror is not in the way by any means. And then when you look at the palette, again, I did just use it, so it's not brand new quality right now. There's a little bit of dustage going on from me putting my brush in there. The way that I achieved this look is I started with this one right here, and it's called First. So first things first, I used First. I'm trying not to, here, let me hold it like this, so then I'm not blinding you guys with my mirror and all that other stuff. So first things first, I used First. And then under my brow bone, I used Transparent. I did put that on my lower lid as well. And then I went in with Soul on the mid to add pink to the top. And then I went in with Trust, which is this dark purple. And then I went in with Commitment, which is this black in my corner. And then I put the purple down here, and then a little bit of the pink here. And then again, this transparent color was down inside of the kind of the corner part. So there's so many other colors on here that I haven't used yet. So let me go ahead and swatch this whole entire thing. Let me get my fingers in them so we can see every single color and how it performs on skin. So hold on. Okay, guys, are you ready? So here is the entire palette. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you, this blind, this is, look at the silver. That is this right here. Oh my goodness. That, holy pigmentation. That silver is amazing. Now, I do need to say, let me find Giving. Okay, so we have, it's gotta be this one right here. Okay, so this one right here, I don't know how it's picking up on the camera where you're looking, if it's looking pink or orange, but Giving is like a duochrome. It looks pink and orange. So when I put it on my arm, I'm like, in the pan, it looks pink. But I put it on my arm, it looked orange. And I'm like, wait, this can't be the right color. Am I using the right finger? Yes, I was. But it's right there. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see the shift in it, but it is definitely like, that has to be a duochrome, because again, it looks so pink in the pan, but then when I swipe it, it looks orange. But then if you get a certain tilt, yeah, right now I'm seeing total like gold. And then I turn, now I'm seeing a little pink. So this has to be a duochrome. I mean, it's gorgeous. But here's the entire palette, you guys. Again, this is beautiful. And I started to put this, honestly, and you'll see as you've been watching, I started to put that in the corner because I literally sat here and I grabbed like so many of the shimmers, and I had like one of each on my finger, and I'm like, gosh, which one do I want to use? They're so pretty. But I didn't know like if I wanted to continue darker on the lid because I have everything else darker, if I wanted to go lower or lighter. And then so when I first put the silver in, I just didn't think it really looked good with the color combination that I used today. So I went ahead and just put a little bit on, but then I went over with the transparent and covered it all so you don't really see this silver anymore. But holy moly, these colors are beautiful. I'm so glad that I purchased this. Yes, I know it's $65, which that again is a hard pill to swallow, but this is a beautiful palette. And if you guys follow me, you know these are like my go-to colors, with like, at least with the pinks and the burgundies, other than browns. And I'm so glad now to incorporate the purples in there because I'm really, really pleased with my eye look today. I'm gonna pat myself on the back because honestly, I think it looks so, so pretty. But that's just my own opinion. And again, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just a makeup lover, and I'm showing you guys how I apply my makeup myself. I'm not saying this is the way to do it because there's so many people that say they scream when I pull on my eye a little bit. I'm not pulling on my eye. If I was, my eye would be completely shut. But I have to give myself a little bit of resistance because of my hooded eyes and my extra skin that I have on my eyes. That's just how it needs to be done for me to achieve what I'm trying to achieve. You don't have to do that. If you have better eyes than I do, then great. But this again is just how I create my own look to show you guys how it blends and how it applies on the skin. And that's why I do my try-ons for you guys. Some of you guys like them, some of you don't, but I'm just showing you for the ones that do like it. The only other thing that I did purchase, you guys, was this right here, which was the lip product. And this is a Lip Ophora, and it was a part of the same collection. I couldn't decide which color to try, so I went with the nude color. And I think it is called nude, to be honest. Where did it go? Mauve. Okay, it's called Mauve. But that's what I have on my lips right now. It's just a nude color. It's not like really color. Here's the actual little applicator. And it's like a menthol taste to it, or scent, I guess you would say. There's the color on my skin. So it does give you a little bit of color. It smells really good. It does give you like nice little cooling menthol feel when you do put it on, because again, it smells like menthol to me. So it's like a minty, it says gloss and balm, and it has that little bit of color. I don't really see it, but I think it looks pretty with just a little bit of gloss and slight color going on, and I know it's there. So again, this I bought, it was part of this collection, and this right here was $26. So on my packing slip, I spent $91. There was free shipping, thankfully, for the palette and this lip gloss. So at least now I have a Natasha Denona lip gloss, and it, again, it's really nice. It feels really good, and I like the way that it looks. And then now I have my now second palette. Oh, this is just gorgeous, you guys. I really, really do love this. So with this palette, I know I can do the more of the purples. I can stick with just the pinks and the burgundies. And if you even want to go like really simple with it, you can just do like the shimmers and call it a day if you would like. but these colors are absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. Again, I know I already said this, but I'm really excited that I did purchase this palette. The only other thing that I did on my eye look was I always use my MAC Studio Fix. This is the only thing I put on my face. You guys always ask, do I have a filter on my videos? No, I never use a filter on my videos. I don't use liquid foundation. This is the only thing that I apply in the morning. And then when I get home and do like my reviews and stuff like that for you guys, or my unboxings, my makeup on camera is how it wore throughout the day, because I don't even touch anything up at night. So I put that on in the morning. And then I've been really liking this Milani eyeliner. This is a black, and it's just the roll up kind. I don't do liquid liner, but this has been my go-to that I grab all the time now. I know I did buy the Fenty, which is okay, but I actually prefer this more than the Fenty, and it's a lot less of, it's more affordable. So I love that. And then the mascara that I used today though, and I must say, when I did the video, I even did this little number to look at the side of my lashes, and my lashes look longer and thicker than they did when I just did that As Seen on TV mascara with all those fiber things. This doesn't even have fiber actin things to add to it. This is just the one I just got in one of my boxes. It's the Bare Minerals Love Every Lash Micro Defining Mascara. And that's what I used today for the very first time. And I'm actually really pleased with this mascara. It makes my lashes definitely look fuller and thicker. I have very, 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 very small little lashes. And I think that did an amazing job. And again, it's better than that As Seen on TV thing that I just reviewed for you guys. So that's why in the video I stopped and did this number, because I did that in that video. So I wanted to see the difference. And I'm really glad that I tried this today because I really like it. And I love this palette, you guys. So that is my entire review for the 2 Natasha Denona products that I bought from their new Love line, and I'm loving it. So comment down below, you guys, let me know, what did you think of the palette? What do you think of these colors? What did you think of my eye look? So comment down below, let me know. Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.